Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video we'll be unpackaging and reviewing a case I purchased for my Xiaomi 17T Pro from a brand called Suttkue. That's spelt S-U-T-T-K-U-E, and I purchased it on Amazon. As usual, I'll be linking in the description to where you too can purchase this case on Amazon, and as usual, if you purchase from there, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks because it's an affiliate link. Okay, so packaging is pretty straightforward. It's essentially a plastic bag with a zip lock at the top. This is generic packaging that probably gets used for lots of different cases. It just has a little label saying what brand it is and what device it's for. In terms of opening it, it's pretty simple. And this case is not just the case, it comes with screen protectors too. So obviously we have an accessory screen protector kit for putting it on. My ginger cat is participating here, so bear with me if he decides to jump on my shoulder again. So we have a bit of styrofoam here, keeping everything in place. There is actually one and two glass screen protectors for the Xiaomi 17T Pro and the case itself. Now, I'm not going to attempt to put the screen protector on just yet because my Xiaomi 17T Pro does have its original screen protector in place and it works very well for me. But at a future point, if I need it, I do have, in this case, two glass screen protectors and the kit to put it on. So I'll put these aside and let's focus on the case itself, because that's what I was really looking to get. So this is a case with a relatively soft edge and protection for the camera module and all the appropriate cutouts. It has a slightly more rigid plastic back, which Suttkue promises a non-yellowing plastic, which is good to hear, which also has magnets for Qi 2 or MagSafe-like accessories. And this is particularly useful for things like magnetic chargers for the Xiaomi 17T Pro. Because the Xiaomi 17T Pro is capable of wireless charging, this will be very useful. Okay, let's check out that all the things in place are as expected. I'm going to slip the Xiaomi 17T Pro into the case. It fits in nicely. And as you can see, we've got a nice little protection for the camera module here. So we have all the appropriate cutouts for the camera sensors and for the cutout for the LED flash. It fits quite snugly, but there is a lift. You can see there is a slight lift on the camera module itself. That's a good thing in my view. At the top, nothing to talk about. It's all as expected. On the left hand side, much the same. There is really nothing to talk about in terms of cutouts. At the bottom, we do have cutouts for the microphone hole, the USB Type-C port and the speaker grill. So good to see that's all in place. And on the right hand side, we start off with the usual lanyard loop. If you decide you want to wear this as a necklace or have a wrist strap on it, that is really useful for ensuring that you can attach that wrist strap or lanyard to your phone. And then there's the extensions of the power button and the volume rocker. Let's test those out. So power button works fine, no wobbliness there. And let's go with volume up and volume down, just a couple up, a couple down. Yes, no stickiness there, works as expected. And as you can see at the top here, there is a subtle cutout for the earpiece speaker, and you have about 0.5 millimeter of lift from the screen itself to the edge of the case. So if you were to put it down on a surface flat, you wouldn't be putting the screen straight down. Now I will remind you, I do have a screen protector on this, so that's an extra level of thickness there, which reduces the actual space between the lip on the case to the screen. But I quite like this case. It feels good in the hand. Similar to the other case I got for the Xiaomi 17T Pro, I will head off and test this magnetic accessory function and get back to you in a moment. Right then, I'm back and I've put this case through its paces. I've been using it for a while and I have to say, it's a nice case. It doesn't add too much in terms of bulkiness to the Xiaomi 17T Pro, and that magnetic accessory functionality works great. I have a stand and a charger in the living room. It works great and I had no issues using the device with any of the accessories. So well done, in this case, Suttkue. This is a decent case, and for what is essentially less than £8 sterling, with free delivery if you have Amazon Prime, I think this is a good deal for cases with this functionality. This isn't just a case, it has the magnets for MagSafe or Qi 2 accessories, which is particularly useful. And I think that for the price of the case, the fact you also get 2 glass screen protectors is really a value add. So thumbs up from me for this case for the Xiaomi 17T Pro. As I said earlier, I'll link in the description to where you too can purchase the Suttkue case for the Xiaomi 17T Pro. As usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. And as usual, if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, if you would like to tell me what I've done wrong, please do leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.